smiling. Nakangiti pa si Aria. Okay. Okay po ang ating crew member. Congrats for joining us. And naririnig na po natin sa likod, nagsa-start up na po ang ating Kojak, which means magte-take off na rin po ang ating skydivers in just a short while. For a few questions really quick, Mark. Yes, hello.
Yes, sir.
All right, so I gotta ask, you've already flown in Philippine skies before, and this is a new location for you. How was it?
This is lovely when I can fly straight overhead the airfield where I've taken off from. Look out, see the coastline, the volcano, nice straight runway. It's brilliant.
All right, so a quick question about our passenger who, please don't escape from us. Please join us here in a little bit, but a quick question about your passenger. How was she as a passenger?
She was extremely excited and
Amerikano sir.
when we pulled,
British. Puta, ilan naman daw British.
I love that so much for you. Now, a really quick question for Aria. Okay, I've been told you are also a pilot. Now, are you going to be an aerobatic pilot by next year?
I think there's a change of plans now. I wanted to be a commercial pilot before the flight.
Okay, so biglang career change para kay Aria. Baka maging aerobatic pilot na siya. Baka next year siya na ang mag-exhibit. Next year, she's gonna be joining you. You never know. All right, thank you so much. Once again, team owner of Global Stars Aerobatic Display Team. This is Mark Jeffries. Thank you so much for joining us here. And thank you and congratulations to Aria on her career change. Alright, that was her first aerobatic ride. Hopefully not the last. You never
gentle
know.
one that was.
Alright, thank you once again to the Global Stars Aerobatic Display Team for racing with us here at the Old Legazpi Airport. Very interesting take on car versus plane right here. Alright, so we have a lot more air activities planned. And remember, if you are interested in tandem skydiving, please approach the right.
Sir, karon ta sir. Si Sergeant SK. Ano daw? Yaon daw. Ano man kita?
To ensure that aircraft are maintained to the highest standards.
Application sir. Agdan. Sir. Ano ka sir? Taga naman sa sir. Orihan Cesar. Gutom ka ba? Supaw. Nagtaon kaya ako duman dyan sa... Nagtao duman. Nagtao. Kasi... Gutom na itong kapwa mo eh. Bata. Gurano yan kuya?
150 sir, naka-brigat na siya bite size.
Si Sir Izquierda. Jacket ko pati yan. Balik-balikan mo ako. Hindi nga sir. Hindi mo balikan. Puta, pabayaan mo ako. Alas 5. Hello ma'am, ma'am.
Ayun.
Yung nagataraw na ma'am. Igistampa na ma'am so ano? Iulog ka. Saga kaya ma'am, iba naman ang ticket. Sa sarong
Ayun
aldaw.
na kay ma'am.
Sarong ticket. Saga iba naman.
Thank you, mate. Basta classmate ko. Okay, ma'am. Tapos
Yun
anak
yun.
niya.
Tapos para sa
Ano yung gusto mo?
concert.
Yan na yan.
Mamaya,
Opo.
Sarah.
Okay na, ma'am. Ganun lang. Bye, ma'am.
Ayun ma'am, kaya lang ano, surapon nyo. Hindi, nagkuha na kaya ako dito ma'am. Yaw nito. Pero, sir, nagkatao pa man ma'am. Kita man lang ma'am na ano. Diyan. Dua naman lang ma'am sa inyo ni ma'am. Ma'am Isay. Padigdihan mo na ma'am. Kanina pa ako ma'am, ano, balik-balik na sa ano, kailangan na. Oo. Ayun ma'am. Ayun ma'am. Ay, gua ma'am.
Binigyan daw siya dito.
Wala pa.
Hindi.
$7,000 pala ang sira ano, skydiving. 7,000. Paragliding yan, bako yung skydiving. Ayan.
During the discontinuation of the PCD rationalization plan, Coast Guard District B Coal was again reactivated, pursuant to General Order Number 217, Headquarters Philippine Coast Guard, dated 16th of November 2007.
Rojasan Aerosign Naval Station Compound in Rawas, Legazpi City has been the home of the Headquarters Coast Guard District VCOL for 16 years. After years of co-tenancy with the Naval Forces Southern Luzon, the Headquarters Coast Guard District VCOL was transferred to Regional Government Center, Rawas, Legazpi City, with a total land area of 5,024 square meters. The newly constructed Coast Guard District VCOL complex was inaugurated. 1.5 square kilometers. Maritime area.
Picture na kasi. Kasi tumundog ka na duman.
Marine environmental protection. Port Control. Civil relations. Group control.
Coast Guard Weapons Communications, Electronics and Information Systems, Eco Regional Center,
Sniper set.
Coast Guard Chief Martin
Ito sa PNP. Ha? PNP naman. Ay, galigay. Ano ba EOD? Ay, Air Force. Tayo sniper. Si sniper.
It reduces the drag. So when you're high up in the air, when you have the power, it will fold back and you will not have a drag compared to windmilling craft. And there's something special about this plane also. Later on tonight, we will be flying this. It has lights.
Alright, that's very interesting. So, mga radio control aviation enthusiasts, they like picking out their planes and obviously, as one of those enthusiasts, there are lights on the
Bali po, pati sa ampangan. May machine gun. Ang lupit.
on the other side of the way. So, radar control
Luwang ano, luwang mata siguro. Pang YouTube ni sir. Sniper set. Warrior. Sir, paano na sir? No, warrior. Mapapicture ka sir, naka... Ito na lang. Taga-video sir. Ako mag-video. Ako na. Hindi na. Madali na. Paano ka na magsunog ka na sir? Nag-video mo si... Dali na siya. Nakaset na yun eh, sir. Ang on. One press lang. One press. Pag long press. Big one press. Naka-video siya. Nag-video na siya. Oo, naka-record na yan. Nakaset na kaya yan na sa room field. Ano, baka may ano video. May link ito doon.
sunset after So, buong araw nakikita niyo po na lumilipad ng mga aeroplanong to na may smoke trails mamayang gabi. Medyo pag nagsa-sunset na, may light trails naman sila. So that's going to be an interesting view, fantastic for photos, and of course, it's always going to be an air show to remember. And syempre, I also look forward to the night glow wherein bubuhayin natin ulit yung mga hot air balloons, but this time nakatether lang siya sa ground. Tapos, ibo-burn. So, papailawin natin. Parang Christmas light. Para silang mga light bulbs na naka-display. Tapos, ang background nila ay ang Bulkang Mayon. So, as always, nire-remind ko namin ang aming mga attendees na hot air ballooning is a fair weather activity. Literal po na we are at the mercy of the wind. And we are praying na para mag-tuloy po po ang ating challenge with hot air balloons. They're so beautiful to look at. Pero pag masyadong malakas ang hangin, tapos wala ka lang ride. Or good weather for our hot air balloon. Ayan, so we already have tandem flight. Nakamasyal-masyal lang siya.
Actually, it reminds me of a ride we have here in the Philippines. I don't know if you guys... Yes, sa Enchanted Kingdom, which I'm very fond of, by the way. It's one of my favorite rides. And ngayon, nakikita ko, it's like parang kami naka-flying fiesta, pero without the lines na pinupos. Ito pala yung siguro around.
Si Sarah.
Basta nalibong dyan, ano?
Alin? Bayan na. Second day tayo mga idol ng Bicoloco hot air balloon.
Ano natutunan mo?
Okay, this is how you greet in French, okay? When you say hello, obviously you say bonjour.
Bonjour.
Okay, pagpapakilala mo yung sarili mo, bonjour, je m'appelle Andy. So, meron ka na, hello, I'm Andy. Oh, so, hello, and then your name. So, bonjour, je m'appelle.
Sumapel. Alright, well, there you go. Okay, so parang ang dami na nakatakas. Yes, I love that for them. And tingnan nyo dito, we have so many large special shaped balloons. And usually, iniihon namin dito sa side na to, yung mga medyo malalaki, para hindi maharangan yung view ng Mayon.
May nakita ko.
Ano nakikita mo?
Alam niyo ba, isa sa balloon natin dito is a replica ng isang monastery in Europe. And when we had the 24th Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Fiesta, okay, meron pong nagpakasal doon. So in case, baka meron dyan today is the day na ba?
May simbahan balloon.
Inflatable nga lang. Hindi siya.
Pero hindi. And the best part is balloon pilot.
Ay,
And crew niya ang nagpakasal.
You know, we love sharing your moments
Of course.
with us, di ba? And syempre, yan yung mga core memory na meron tayo when it comes to the Philippine International.
Si Bella is being piloted by Paul Burrows, tapos si Buster naman by Eden Hart. So, kaya magkakabulan yan, okay lang yan. Besties sila. Walang iwanan dito.
Ayaw ka na?
Alam na namin. Okay. Sabi ni Neil, walang iwanan. Pero ba't naiwan ako? Okay lang. Pero namang feathered balloons, hindi na iiwan doon. Go lang. Ayan, see, humabol na agad. Diba? Besties talaga. Ayan, tingnan natin kung aangat na rin sila Dino and si Skyrunner in just a bit. Nakikita niyo dyan sa field, meron parang maraming maliliit na hot air balloon. Ay! Kalahating inflated pa lang yan.
Parang alam ko yung balloon. Parang nakita ko na yan eh. Parang sikat na movie yan.
Ano yan?
Yung nagpalipad ba yan? Yung matanda? Tapos yung parang meron silang inabot na colorful na ostrich na. Yan ba yung may ano?
Hindi yun yung bahay niya. Ano ba?
Yung bahay na nilagyan ng maraming balloons, hindi ba yun yun? Yun yun, di ba?
We want them to go up, pero hindi go up, okay?
Ay, di ba ito kay Mr. Fredrickson?
Pero tama ka yan sa balloons. Balloons nga yan. That's the party balloon. So it's one balloon made of several smaller balloons.
Kaya ba tinawag na party pa rin? Tayo namin ito.
So ayan nga, the party balloon is now in really tapos.
Ay.
Parang feeling ko we're saving the best for last.
Yeah, I know. Because favorite.
Sa audience natin para tayo makita ng lahat. And yung favorite part ko about this is that yung piloto really takes pride in the Princess Lily balloon kasi yung uniform niya, polo talaga siya. So kung magtataka pa ako sa piloto ng Princess Lily balloon, makakala ko saan. That is bigger than Overwatch. World travel is
International Hot Air Balloon.
balloons for you, Lady Paul. The point about the trend are
Hindi din ako dyan sa laot.
because we know that there is so much joy to be had even in just seeing these beautiful aircraft.
Ayaw dyan, i-edit ko. Big video ko lang yun yung mga balloon. Mga air balloon. Ano dyan?
So aircraft yan.
Sige dyan, sige dyan.
Similarly to airplanes and to our helicopters as well.
Oh guys, marami na kaming nasabi na fun facts and trivia para sa inyo. Again, remind ko lang na we have special prizes later on kasi magtatanong kami lahat ng binanggit namin na information sa inyo. So, nako, sinasabi ko sa inyo, maganda yun. It's international country balloon essential.
Ayun. So later, for we can the flight
dito na mga master ng ating Hot Air Balloon Festival. Yan ah. Daming nag-skydiving.
Okay lang, hindi naman yung akala ko dito sumigaw siya the entire time. Okay lang sumigaw, hindi nila yun. Ang hindi encourage mo na sumigaw. Gusto na ako pa naman yung nagdadalang ingay mo. Diba? Ako gusto ko kasi yung naman ang best mo. Siyempre may hotel guys tayo. Nung nakulit ko nga namin kanina nakahapa yung naman dito. Center, hotel. So, inali lang siya dito. We actually have rice for this as well.
Dinadagsa na tayo mga idol ng mga netizens.
Tayo doon sa loob ng terminal. Mag-inquire lang po kayo kung ano yung available time slots.
And also, remind ko lang din po yung lahat, no? Since nandyan na po yung araw, bukod sa mag-hydrate, ito na po yung perfect opportunity for you guys to take our picture. Kasi mamaya, hulas na po kami. Kasi magdamag po tayo sa araw, kaya habang fresh pa po kami, at saka para hindi mag-turn off sa
Hot air balloon, mga idol. At the Gaspi Hotel.
Turista na lang ako. Paging turista na lang ako.
Yan yung concert kagabi mga idol ni Bamboo at Sarah.
I think isa sa mga place na gagamitin din ng Global Store, yung aerobatic display team natin. Yes. Yun. So, kung makikita
Sige ta.
don't forget to use our official hashtag weekend of everything Darua.